Hi, I'm Joseph Jobe, CEO of Yellow Jacket, and we want to introduce you to the future of self-defense. Yellow Jacket is the first of its kind phone case that protects your phone, extends the life of your battery, and includes a concealed stun gun that delivers a powerful shock, giving you and your loved ones peace of mind to know that you'll always be able to protect yourself in any threatening situation.
Our product solves problems not being addressed by any other product in the world. It's lightweight, safe to carry in public, and goes wherever you go. Most importantly, it's incredibly easy to use. You can detach your phone from the case at any time with the click of a button, which gives you the flexibility to adapt to any environment. A unique battery feature housed within the case doubles the life of your phone while retaining enough power to activate the stun gun. Built-in safety features ensure the stun gun will never fire unless you want it to. And when you need it most, Yellow Jacket can be immediately activated to defend yourself.
Whether you're at home, work, or on the go, Yellow Jacket fits your lifestyle, reminding you to be aware of your surroundings and feel secure knowing you've got one of the most innovative self-defense products in the world in the palm of your hand. Yellow Jacket, we are always with you.
We've all seen giant touchscreen media walls used on cable news networks, allowing anchors to annotate and guide us through election night coverage. It makes for a powerful news presentation. Don't you wish to do the same in your conference room? The problem is these large touchscreens are quite expensive, costing up to tens of thousands of dollars. The engineers at TouchJet developed TouchJet Wave in the past 3 years. It turns any regular flat-screen television or monitor display into a smart touchscreen, and it's only $299. Take a look.
I just got the TouchJet Wave. It turned my TV into a smart touchscreen that can do pretty much anything. Bam! Download any app right onto the Wave. People in our office love it. It gets them out of their chairs, collaborating like never before.
It's a great idea.
And it's super easy to use. Navigate right from your phone. The TouchJet Wave brings people together in any situation.
Hi, my name is Sergey. Welcome to the Photokite Lab. Our goal is simple, to make aerial filming easy and safe. You've probably seen many drone projects by now already. What's different this time? It's the tether. The tether changes everything. Unlike a conventional drone, there's no piloting, no smartphones, no joysticks, no GPS. Let me show you how it works. To launch the Photokite, point it where you want it to go, give it a twist, and it will fly there like a kite. It always produces tension on the tether. It uses this tension to figure out exactly where it is relative to you. If you want to control it in the air, use the electronic leash, hold down a button, and rotate your wrist. That will change where the Photokite flies relative to you. It's always following you. It's always connected to you. So if I move, it will move with me. And this will keep working anywhere, in a cave, on a boat, and no matter if you're on a horse or on a bike.
Ride Air is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to. Just as it should.